Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you for each and everyone because my YouTube channel get a subscription around 45 and views is much exist the K. Thank you each and everyone for this support. I will provide my best towards updations and mining apps. First of all, I need to say do your own research on the websites and invest much as you can bear for if it is gone. Else, if the site was good, you can get the profit. Else, if the site also gone, you can to bear for that. That's why only invest that amount you can bear. First of all, go to the market scenario. Here is a CoinGecko app. We can find more of. Now here you can see so many of the coins in a green way. That means we are not in a up direction. It's a change in 24 hours. I really here mentioned Solana. If it is comes around 160 or 165, you can go through that because it is it's have a huge future. And other than Solana, I stick on to ADA. Still I am bullish on that. Another one is Cardano. I am still bullish on Cardano because of its future. It's a good project according to me as per my research. And Luna, it's a good website for that. That's why it was in a upward direction. And you can also invest on Dot. That's also a good project. Matic, it's an Indian project and it's an good enough in a future. And Shibba and Dodge, all the memes coins you can invest some amount in your portfolio. It can yeah, how much you can bear, you just invest on the meme coins. Let's move on with today's mining apps. Before that, the about Risex, and still I am not don't know what happened. It was still not reachable. I don't know. I don't got any updates from that risex.net and official website. Let's move on another mining site. I will provide this link in description box. You can go with this. It's an again a Tron dependent mining site. You need to invest in terms of Tron. You will get a daily deposition of according to your investment. Enter mobile number here, login password, security password, and attach the same thing which I have shown in a diagram, shown in a picture. Then put on sign up. Just I need to go here. Then my existing app. Here it is the interface. After the sign up, you will get a free 800 balance of TRX, but you can't withdraw that. You need to invest some amount of the TRX. Just invest how much you can bear. Here I just invested around 100 TRX total deposit quantity. So I will get a 3%. That means a 3 TRX daily as an withdrawal limit. You can withdraw unlimited times. Today I have already taken back my all the investment 100 TRX. Now on my on profit. Please you get research on that. They also have a private support team. You can contact them. But after that you can invest here. Just invest. You can invest as low as 5 TRX. You will get 3% of the investment. Go to deposit here. Here you need to click on here. Then copy the address through any exchanges. You just copy address and pay through that. Within 2 to 3 minutes you will get a deposition. After that you will get 5% of 8% of cloud mining for each and every day in terms of how much you have deposited and the total number of TRX availability. Here I am receiving daily mining reward. Now you can see my TRX value is around 2389. My withdrawal limit is only 3%. That means as I invested 100 TRX, I will get a 3 TRX daily as a withdrawal. You need to fill the quota and you need to enter the TRX address which you need to deposit it and the security password. That means login password, security password which I enter. I put the same login password and security password. Just go through it and invest as much of you can bear. This is the first mining app which I informed you. Let's go on as an bonus. I will provide a second mining app which you can also mine a lot number of cryptocurrencies. This is another mining website, CoinPayu. It where you can mine within an hour. Every hour you can mine cryptocurrencies. This is the interface. The link will be given below. You can earn Bitcoin Lite, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dodge, Tron, Tether, SHIB, Binance, BTT, Cardano, Solana. All these you can get into here. Just press on join here. You need to enter username, email, password, and same password which you have given, and click on terms and condition, and click on you are not a robot. Then click on the registration. I will go to the existing app. Here it is my CoinPayu login ID and some means the login page. Here is the main balance in terms of Satoshi. That yeah, for earning you need to go at need to enter fiat. You will look onto this interface. Now as for the Christmas, in up to 73 hours you will get 25% more reward as previous. Here I need to mine Dogecoin. Click on claim free Dogecoin now. Wait for the 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds. Here click on here, see the captcha. You can pass I am human, or you need to type here. Click on verify. Yeah, you are now verified. Claim now. You will earn 0.05847 Doge. At a time you can mine up to 3 cryptocurrencies. Here another one, I will go with Tron. Claim now. Wait for another 10 seconds. Here is I'm not sure, but claim now. You have earned some amount of DRX. You can do it for per hour. Here you can see after 59 minutes 18 seconds you can earn again the Dogecoin. Like this you need to you can earn max of 3 coins at a time in an hour. That means in an hour you can max up to 3 cryptocurrencies. The same procedure I have also earned ship coin. Yeah, after 3 times you can't claim any of the coins. Yeah, it's miracle guys, but don't know. Previously it is only mine for 3 coins. Now you can mine any number of coins. Maybe I will check and let you know guys. Yeah, okay guys, you can mine now. You can mine 4 coins at a time. For each and every one, every hour you can claim a free crypto. Here another way of earning through view ads. That means click on the 3 buttons above. Here. Now go to surf ads, view ads, surf ads. For watching 45 seconds, you will get rewarded 3.5 Santoshis. Here is the list. How can you earn? There is some other pages you can get earn also. Now in another way, Windows ad, you can also earn here also 2.1 Santoshis in terms of Santoshis by watching small videos or something else. Here is the video ads. You can earn here also Santoshis, some of the Santoshis. There are 2 ads at present. I am not say you to invest here because I don't know about this, but I am climbing some amount of cryptos without investment. I think we need to not it's up to you guys, but I am not refer for the investment here. Yeah, after that go to the profile, 3 dots profile. You can set the wallet. Here the wallet address I have set now. I am just set now that Tron address. That's why it's showing a Tron. Then click on next. You will update it with the wallet address. That's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get more updates on cryptocurrencies and mining apps. Thank you each and everyone for the support which I have got. Thank you.